My husband's a really cool guy. He always chops my butternut squash for me when I need it for cooking. So tonight, here's how to chop a butternut squash.
So today we're chopping a butternut squash up. So I'm going to give a couple tips. The best thing is that we're going to cut these ends off and we're going to cut it in half at the bulb and then chop it.
What do you got on your hand there?
This is a cut glove. It's supposed to help keep you from cutting yourself because I have a tendency to cut my fingers. So I was ordered to use this. Then we're just going to start chopping.
Where are the seeds? Are they in the bulb part? Okay.
And we're just going to cut the rind off.
And then you've got your cubes.
There we go.
Good tips, Tommy. Thank you.
Thanks.